Hello, Abney women. I'm Lieutenant Governor Kathy Hochul, and I had hoped to see you in person in April as we had originally planned, but we've had to adapt in countless ways, and this is surely one of them. I want to thank Samantha Rudin for her leadership of this fantastic group, and to Laura at Abney for coordinating this opportunity to connect with all of you virtually. This is truly an extraordinarily challenging time for New York. This pandemic has impacted our daily lives in ways that would have been unimaginable only months ago. That's why, to see a path forward, it is appropriate that we look once again to Abney, a powerful change organization that was born in the 1970s when our beloved city was in the depths of despair. Back then, Lou Rudin and Robert Tisch enlisted 125 New Yorkers who refused to give up on New York City. Today, Abney is called upon to perform the same role, to help lead a community that has been battered and bruised back to being stronger and better than ever before. The only difference this time is you, the women of Abney, who offer unique perspectives. We need you, women who have been toughened by what it takes to survive and succeed within the male-dominated echelons of power, but also who possess the empathy and compassion for the communities of New York that will need extra help to get back on their feet. You also understand the unique role that women have played in our response to this pandemic. Women have been hit hard by this crisis, which has been compounded by the many challenges that have existed for women already. 76% of our healthcare workforce is female. The majority of doctors under 45 are women. Women are the majority of service workers and 2/3 of minimum wage workers. I'm proud that New York State is ensuring child care support for our essential workers on the front lines. As we have witnessed day after day, Governor Cuomo has set the highest standard for what it means to be a leader during this moment, communicating directly and clearly, setting aside politics, and relying on facts and science to guide decision-making and our reopening strategy. I am so proud to work alongside him and amplify that message in all corners of our state. Finally, while we could not have known this 2 months ago, we have now been called to reshape the destiny of the greatest city on earth. We have an opportunity to rebuild and reimagine an even better New York. We have learned many lessons the hard way. But now as we begin the soon-to-be reopening, let us envision the city New York City always had the potential to be. From our workspace to education, to transportation, to public health, to housing. And I thank you for the chance to check in with some of the most influential women in our city. Please continue to stay in touch. While I miss seeing you in person for now, working together, we will be a much better New York. Thank you.